Hi dear friends. Welcome to a new tutorial from the Desired channel. Today, I'm going to show you a brand new AI video generation tool. Make sure to stay with me until the end of the video, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. The tool we're using today is called Magi AI, and I've put the link in the description. Once you open the website, you'll see this page where you can sign up using Google, Discord, or your email. I'm signing in with my Gmail account. After logging in, you'll land on this page. As you can see, you get 500 credits per month. You can even use different emails to get more credits if needed. Here, you can also check out the available plans. For now, I'll start with the free 500 credits. Click on Create Project, and you'll see two options. On the left, you can upload an image from your system. And on the right, you can choose from their pre-made videos. I'm going to upload an image from my own device and wait for it to upload. After the upload is done, click on the plus icon on the corner of the image to add a new node. Now I'll write my prompt here. A woman smiling and posing while the camera slowly zooms out. I'll set the variation to 1, the duration to 10 seconds, and I'll leave the other settings as they are. The quality is set to high, which consumes more credits, but gives better results. If you turn off high quality, it will use fewer credits. In this case, generating the video will cost me 100 credits. Now I click on Generate and wait for the video to be created. It usually takes about 4 to 6 minutes. As you can see, the video is now ready. You can click and watch it. It looks great. Now let's move on to a new project. Click on Back, and then New Project. Again, I'll upload another image from my device. Once uploaded, I click the plus icon and enter a new prompt. A woman eating cherries. I set the duration to 10 seconds and click Generate without changing other settings. Now we wait again for the video to generate. Next, I right-click on the blank space and upload another image. I repeat the same prompt, a woman eating cherries. Set the duration to 10 seconds and click Generate. Now I want to create a third video. Again, I right-click and upload an image of a sparrow. I set the duration to 10 seconds, turn off high quality so it only costs 50 credits. Then write the prompt, a sparrow walking, and hit Generate. The first video is done. Let's check it out. It looks beautiful, and you can download it from the top right corner. Now I'm waiting for the rest of the videos to finish. Great! They're all done. Let's watch them together. As you can see, the tool still has some bugs, but that's expected since it's still in early development. I believe with future updates, it will get much better. My credits have now run out. So, you can log out and sign in again using a different email. You can also use temporary email services to do this. Alright friends, I hope you found this video helpful. Please like this video and follow the Desire channel so you won't miss my future content. Take care and see you in the next video. Goodbye.